The STIHL GTA 26 cordless garden pruner is ideal for pruning jobs around the garden. It makes light work of pruning small trees and shrubs, cutting up garden waste, and even small DIY jobs such as building a raised garden bed. Part of the STIHL AS system of tools, the GTA 26 has a powerful 10.8 volt lithium-ion battery, which runs for up to 25 minutes. That's enough time to make around 80 cuts in branches like these. It's quiet and lightweight at only 1.4 kilograms including the battery, and the rubberised handles make it comfortable to use and easy to control. Make sure you use 2 hands to control the tool at all times. The GTA 26 comes with a 1/4 inch Pico Micro 3 saw chain, which has been specially designed by STIHL to give low vibrations with a high cutting performance. Once the chain is up to speed, move the tool towards the material you want to cut and make sure the material is close to the body of the tool. You don't need to force the tool through the cut either, just apply light pressure to control the position. You can easily see how much charge you have left with the charge level indicator here. The chain can be easily replaced without the need to use any tools. The tool, battery and charger all come in this handy carry case for easy storage and transport, along with a bottle of Multioil Bio, so you can make sure the chain is lubricated and protected from corrosion at all times. To use the GTA 26, simply turn off the trigger lock with your thumb and squeeze the trigger. Always read the manual before using the GTA 26 and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug-fitting clothes, goggles, gloves and sturdy footwear.